What's up guys, it's DK Brown, and today I'm going to be making another video with another cheap mod that you can do to your 2015 and up Mustang. This is something that I had to do because the Mustang I got, it was used. It only had 20,000 miles on it, but whoever had it first, they ended up peeling off a sticker around the shifter knob, so I had to fix that because it's ugly. So I ordered this product, it's carbon fiber. I'll show you a picture of what it looks like before, or I'll show you what it looks like before and after I install it, and obviously I'll show you the whole process of installing it as well. It's gonna be quick and easy. It's got 3M tape on the back, so let's get to that. But before I show you guys anything, let me give you a little sound clip of this exhaust. The car hasn't been started in about a week. I haven't been driving it, so this should be a really good cold start. Sounds great. Now let's get to it. Alright guys, this is what I'm talking about right here. Originally there was just a black label right here in this area to match this. Didn't have the PRNDS, the Prindle, as they said it in Zack and Cody. So originally this had another black label right here. Somehow it went missing, and to me that just looks ugly. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some alcohol. This is alcohol solution. It's in the spray bottle. Some paper towel, we'll wipe it down, and then we'll add these adhesive carbon fiber labels. One will go for this side, one will go for that, and it'll look great. So let's get into that. Now mind you, I'm doing this one hand, but the first thing you're going to want to do is spray a little bit of alcohol onto that paper towel, and then take it and thoroughly wipe off that surface. Get all of that debris off of there. You can see it's a little bit dirty, and I do keep my car clean, so that's just a little bit of buildup from over time. Spray a little bit more, and now we'll do this side. Nice and clean before we go and start sticking that carbon fiber on there. Make sure all that dust is off of there. It looks fairly decent. Now what we're going to want to go ahead and do is open up this package. Sucks doing this one hand. So we got our package. Go ahead and slide these out. And as I said, these have 3M tape on the back of them. The one will go right here, and the other will go right here. And that's about what it'll look like. So let me go ahead and start peeling off the backing to this 3M tape. Go ahead and line that up. Stick it into place. Make sure you line it up good before you start pressing it down. That's pretty good right there, like that. Now, time for the other side. Line that one up. And press it down into place. And there you guys go. That's what it looks like all installed. It looks a million times better than having that ugly whatever the heck that was I was showing. So I also do have a little carbon fiber engine start stop switch cover that I installed. I'll show you guys more of that in another video. Like always guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, hit the notification bell so you're up to date with any video I post. Make sure you subscribe so I can see you again. Thanks, bye.